Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, looks like thermal socks. Tightly wrapped too. They put a lot of tape or something. Alright, so let's open it up. I don't know where to start, but let's see. I think they compressed it. Vacuum sealed, I mean. Yeah. Mm. Okay. This is the Therma X for extra warmth and comfort. Super soft and ultra comfy. Shoe size 9 to 13, warmth, thermal socks. And they vacuum sealed it to compress it, but doesn't really, I don't think it helps much. So this is 7 times warmer than basic cotton socks. It's thick, cushioned, soft brush inner, maximum heat. So I'm gonna slip it off here. Or let me open it up there. Okay, we have 3 pairs of socks. There's one that's loose. This is how big it is. So this is my hand for comparison. 2 hands or so. Okay. See, it has a different lining inside. So, yeah. If you're interested in these thermal socks, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.